Welcome to another Game Devlog video. It's fantastic to have you here. My name is Bones and today I'm going to present to you all of the progress that I have made since the last video. Let's get started. I'm excited to show you everything that I have done. First of all, I have redrawn the boss. The boss, also known as the Destroyer, has been redrawn in a style similar to the smaller enemies, with similar colors, however at a much higher resolution. Of all the weapons that a destroyer will have, I have only managed to draw its rocket launchers. I gave them an opening animation and a closing animation, which is basically just the opening one but reversed. However, the animations have not yet been implemented in Unity. After drawing all of these over the span of about 5 days, I began to feel frustrated. I was frustrated at how long it took me to make all of these. It felt like I was wasting time. Because of this, I decided to make an important decision for the game. I decided to completely change the art style for something much simpler. All said and done, I redrew the two enemies and set up their animations, settled for a simple white background and tested the game to see how I felt about it. In the end, I realized that the only way I'll be able to finish this game is through consistency. If I am to complete the game, I must not be easily swayed by every little challenge, like a leaf in the wind, but remain positive and sturdy like a rock. The return to the prettier but more complex art style did not come alone. Along with it, I have also completely changed the way the animations are being handled. Previously, to display the animations, the enemies would instantiate prefabs of the animations, which would self-destruct to the code after they were done playing. All of these actions were straining the game's overall performance, however, they are now handled through Unity's animator window. Brilliant! Alongside those performance improvements, I have also reduced the amount of script referencing to the use of the getComponent function, and instead the enemy references most of the script directly in the prefab through the use of the inspector. Alongside those performance improvements, I have also reduced the amount of script referencing to the use of the getComponent function, and instead the enemy references most of the script directly in the prefab through the use of the inspector. In the end, I also created a new scene to hold my main menu. This menu is pretty basic, with 2 buttons and no functionality as of now. The final addition, and the most important one, is the Discord server. I have created my own server, link is in the description. There you can chat with me, talk about art, game development, programming, Unity and much more. You won't have a dedicated channel to advertise your own stuff. With that, thank you so much for watching. If you have enjoyed today's video, likes, favorites, shares, comments, all that good stuff helps out me, helps out the channel, and most importantly, shows that this is a series you wish to see continue. Again, thank you for watching and goodbye.